Well, all right, everybody. Welcome back. It's getting to that time of year where you want to start thinking about your winter firewood. You want to make sure it stays dry, too. So that's why in this episode, I'm going to take down an old goat barn and turn it into a firewood stand. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend. Stay tuned. But I tell you what, I'm getting tired of the tarp look. It works. It's unsightly. I'd rather make something cool. I'm down in the old buck pasture, but we don't have any bucks anymore. So this has been sitting here for several months, and I don't want it to go to waste. It's made out of pallets and old tin. I figured it'd make a great firewood hut. And we're gonna build that cool firewood stand out of this. Of course we're gonna use pallets and old tin. Reduce, reuse, recycle, baby. But first, I'm gonna need the goats' help to clear some of this vegetation out. Make it easier to work in. Ow! Are there yellow jackets in here? There are. Well, we got yellow jackets. I got stung. Should have checked for that beforehand. Holy Ned, that thing is huge. An old barn to sit. Look at that. We got to get rid of that first. One of the benefits of having bees is you have safety precaution equipment. I'm going to get rid of those yellow jackets. Put them in this 5-gallon bucket for educational purposes. Let's get suited up, huh? Hopefully this is rated for hornets and yellow jacket. Now that we're all suited up with our safety precaution, let's get rid of them. Educational purposes. Well, we seem to ruffle them up and get them real mad. I guess I'm gonna stay in my suit and take this apart now. Haha, you can't sting me now. I've got my protective gear on. Ooh! Well, milk thistle, you win again. Milk thistle goes through the pants real easily. But this protective jacket, it'll work just fine. You can see where their nest was, but not anymore. Can't have y'all hanging around my bees. Mm-mm. So you guys want to watch me move this firewood pile to over there? It'll be fun. Didn't think so. Let's try something else. And there you go. No more firewood. It's because I moved it all over there. And then it's got to go back over here. Now that we got all of our pieces laid out, let's get to building. The goats seem to enjoy it. It's not a jungle gym, you guys. That's for firewood. And then you can't jump on the firewood stack and knock it over anymore, huh? This little battery operated chainsaw, it's really helpful. Did I mention I found it on the side of the road? These things are expensive. Hey, Chocolate. Can you help me out? Can you go on the other side and hold that for me? No? It's hard to find good help these days. Huh. We'll dig in this bag from yesterday to get all of our screws back. We'll reuse them. How about that? Wish I had a tool belt. Does that look level to you guys? Can you go get me that 2x4? No? Some stubborn help. You're not gonna give me that 2x4? Oh, shake? You wanna shake? Oh, good boy. Good boy. You gonna sit? Are you a dog? Are you gonna sit? You gonna sit? You're so smart. Yes, you are. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. Let's find out if we have enough roofing. I say that works. A little bit of overhang, but that's all right. You're probably wondering why am I so out of breath? That's because this log kicked my butt. It's got a branch right there, but it looks like some time ago someone had cut that branch off and it healed over. Once you split it open, the truth shows itself. Now the last step. Moving that pile of firewood over there, putting it in right here. I could really use some help. It's been hot today. Well, there you have it, folks. Firewood stand. Now we don't have to look at that ugly tarp anymore. And everything will stay nice and dry. Well, as you can tell, it's raining. So I figured, why not come check out the wood stand, see how we did. Yeah, that's dry. And that's a good thing. You want to make sure you got dry wood for the winter. And if you haven't already gotten your wood for the winter, I suggest doing it now. I was a little late, but luckily I had some oak left over from last year that's super dry. Peace, y'all.